Hi, Nico.
He's really watching me. Hello. Hello. Hi, Nico.
Hi, Nico.
Give him this angle.
Hi. Hi, Nico. Crazy.
Hi, Nico.
It's not super crazy, but
Hi,
I've never...
Nico.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Pretty birds. They're cockatoo. Pretty birds. Hey.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Let me show y'all.
I love you.
Hello.
I love you. I love you.
Dance.
Dance. Dance, Nico.
Y'all have never seen a bird like this actually in person.
I love you, Nico.
Yeah.
I love you, Nico. I do.
God, this is crazy.
Those people are buying this.
Who? I've never been in this store before, guys. Hey. You can?
Yeah, I just be careful.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she doesn't bite. You know how some birds got their temperatures now.
Oh, I don't know that much, really.
But she's sweet.
Hello. Hello.
Hey.
I love you. I love you.
The funny thing is that you're saying you love her, but you haven't even met her for 5 minutes.
Right, Nico? Say hi, Nico. Where's the coin? Where's the coin? Where's the freaking coin?
I love you.
Guys,
Be careful.
that's crazy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here.